Hey foodies, and welcome to another episode of Nerdy Nibbles.
Today we're making egg bites!
And Alex is here!
Hi! He's here again! Because even gamers need to eat breakfast. Whatever time breakfast is for you, that is your choice. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and dice
The pepper?
the bell pepper. Yeah, bell pepper, sorry, I can't think today, leave me alone. We're gonna season it with salt and pepper, and we have bacon bits. And then me and Alex are gonna crack eggs into these cupcake tins. 1 egg in each container. You can use the reusable silicone cupcake molds if you want. I'm not, because this is what I have. Can we use what we have here? A fun way to remember how to dice anything is slices, sticks, dices.
Pick up some real one.
In memory of Amber.
If you ever feel terrible about your cooking skills, just do what I do. Watch First Cooks in America. And then you'll feel better.
Or nailed it.
Oh, God.
Sadly, that show's not on anymore.
Okay, but you can still watch
There
it.
is a Nailed It cookbook, though.
You can still watch it. Alice is making it sound like you can't watch it anymore.
No, I'm just saying it's sad that it got canceled.
You can only do so much of that show. I'll have to go into the fridge to get the 2 eggs from the carton in the fridge. Today's flavor is now nectar. I don't want to. They can look it up themselves.
Well, they shouldn't have to.
Well, if Gamer Subs was training, then they could see the product.
They can keep it
Why don't you go check on the kids?
Have you checked the children? You'll have all your limbs.
Alright, so now we're just gonna sprinkle in bacon bits and bell peppers into each one. Alex, do you want Alex or Kihro, somebody want to sprinkle in bell peppers in the other tray?
I was already done a lot today.
Yes,
I was like, I cut it up.
perfectly diced.
They are actually quite nice. They're pretty good.
Kihro, can you hand me the salt and pepper, please? So I'm not having to cut across.
I mean, my bad. I didn't get the memo.
It's
I
fine.
didn't understand the assignment.
That fresh vegetable smell.
You could add more salt and pepper if you want, but I'm making them this way. Alright, Alex, let's switch sides. Alright, so now we're gonna scramble them together.
We're gonna.
Here, I'll let you do it, Kihro.
I want to do this.
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely an interesting way to do this. Probably should have scrambled the egg first, but whatever.
I was wondering.
That's what I was wondering.
I was like
is that
wondering.
scrambled?
Like that.
Just do your best.
I thought we were cooking them like this. So
You know, we can cook them like that. It's fine.
Well, you kind of already scrambled most of them.
It doesn't matter. You just want to leave the rest of them, okay?
sure.
Oven, 350. We're gonna put them in for 10 minutes and then check. Anthony, pause the video, please.
Ah, this is the video.
Alright, the egg bites are done. Alright, this is what they look like. Some of them look different because some of them are scrambled, some of them weren't. Alright, Kihro, do we want to try these or do we just want to take them to work and then just report our feedback next week?
Like we should just take them to work.
Alright, so we're going to take them to work and then we will report back our feedback next week. That's what we just decided we were doing just now. That's what we were deciding to do. Just now. They were made for work. Then I won't have something to take to work. You don't want me to eat breakfast?
Fine, then go ahead and start!
Anyway, since you can't take us anywhere, we'll let you all know how they came out, guys, and if you should make them, or we should do differently. If you have any ideas for like different types of egg bites, let us know.
Right. Until next time, foodies.
Bye!
Bye.
Bye.